everyone, to protect and security of your account, Google requires to verify your payment address before send any payments to your account. Here's a verification words. When your earning reach the verification threshold, Google will send your mail your personal identification number to your payment address. It usually takes 2 to 4 weeks, or it depends upon your locations that up before in your Google's AdSense applications. To receive your personal identification number, you must enter it to your Google AdSense to verify your payment address. So in this videos guys, I'm gonna share you how to enter it step by steps in your Google AdSense. You have 4 months from the date your PIN is generated to enter it into your account. If not, ads will stop on your videos. First, you need to sign into your AdSense account. On the type search address bar, you just type www.google.com then /AdSense, then enter. And you will see on your screen like that. You have 2 options if you want Chinese or English. Since I don't know how Chinese language, so I choose English. Then on my right upper corner, just click, and on the lower part you will see the sign in. Just click it because you need to sign in your AdSense account. After you click it, you will see this. On the upper right corner, you will see your profile. Then you need to click that. Then select desktop site mode. After you choose, on your AdSense homepage, find the PIN verification card and click verify. You might need to click view more to reveal the card. Then after that, you need to enter your PIN exactly as it appears in your PIN mailer. You need to enter your PIN. Make it sure that your number is correct. Then after that, click submit. Your payment address is now verified.